Hello everyone. Hello. Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Kadambari, Saket, Sadika. I'm not getting your voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, most of the students of you, they have not joined the class. There are total 355. Sorry, 35 students are being enrolled in the group, but they all do not join the class. Yesterday's message, I think I posted on time. There in is there at 7:30, right? 7:30 or 33. I sent the message that I would not be able to take the class due to the emergency, isn't it? Today also I put the message. So better, please turn on your video. Please turn on your video. Please turn on your video.
Sir.
Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see.
One second. Ritvik, your brother is eating something? Today, we are going to not study, but I have some plans for you. Today, I will give you the situational based dialogues. Situation based dialogues. Those dialogues you need to read properly. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Situational dialogues. Is the screen visible to you all? Is my screen visible to you all?
No,
No, sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
One second, beta. Adi, that file is not opening here. I'm not getting why is it so. One second, one second. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one thing that I'm going to tell you here, that is all about the dialogues. And those dialogues are the situation-based dialogues. So uh, hmm, how shall we uh, how shall we speak the dialogues? How shall we means speak the dialogues there at the situations? Okay, where we can see or you can see here the place, and that place is the post office. What is that? The post office. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This situation, these dialogues, whatever the dialogues you are going to study down, those dialogues are okay. These are the dialogues where you will find the most important things which are discussed, and what kind of dialogues shall we speak at some places which are very important places where frequently we visit with our parents or ourselves. Okay, sometimes. Got it? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now look at here. Here, this person is speaking to this person. Okay, the person who is sitting inside, he is the employee of the post office, and in the post office, sorry, and the person who has come over here, he is inquiring of something. Okay, so what kind of dialogue should be there? Those dialogues are being written over here at the post office, how to react and how to do the conversation over there. Okay, now how many students are there? Now Kadambari is there, Rutvik, Sadhika, Saket, and Varshit. Okay, so these two dialogues would be taken place between two people. So who will be those two people? Saket and Varshit. Would you
Yes,
perform?
sir.
Okay, Saket and Varshit. Varshit,
Yes, sir.
okay, you both people see, Saket is Michael,
Okay.
and counter clerk is Varshit. So
Okay.
how would these two people interact with each other? How would they speak to each other? Okay, that thing you have to speak over here by seeing or by just observing this PDF over here. Did you get it? So you start. Who is Michael?
Yes, sir.
This
Sir,
is
it's
the
me.
extempore where I have given you the situation and even the dialogues. Now these dialogues you have to speak. Okay, and in that way only, that how do we speak normally with people? Okay, in that way only you have to speak better. Got it?
Oh, yes, sir.
So who is Michael?
Sir, it's me.
Okay, Saket, start.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I want to send this parcel, please.
Do you want to send it by letter post or parcel post?
It would be.
It will be better rupees.
Speak properly.
Sorry.
Your voice is not audible to everyone.
So is it mine? Can you hear me?
No, no, still it is not audible.
Now can you hear me, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, but not properly.
Oh. So now can you hear me? God.
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. You can start from the beginning, sir.
Uh-huh.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I want to send this parcel, please.
Do you want to send it by letter post or pass post? It will be better 3 rupees 50 pice by letter post and 2 rupees.
Yes. Next.
Michael.
You'd be better send it by letter post. It might be quicker.
It might be quicker. It is a question actually, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, anything else I can do it for you?
Yes. Could you weigh this letter, please?
It's just over 20 grams. It will cost you 1 rupee 40 pice. Here's the stamps for the parcel and the letter. Will you affix them, please?
I also want 20 inland letter sheets and 10 stamped envelopes.
By all means, but oh, wait a minute. Please, let me first give you the receipt for the parcel. Here's the receipt, and here's the parcel post stationery.
Thank you very much. Can I leave the parcel there on the desk in front of you?
Yes, but you put the letter in the box over there.
Oh, yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, very nice. Very nice conversation between you two. And this is the way that what I wanted you people should speak in between, okay, or among yourselves, and even at any situation, at any. Did you get it? Now, beta,
Sir, when did the class start, sir?
at 4 o'clock.
Okay, sir. I join now,
Okay.
sir.
Now, one thing I would like to tell you, these things we have learned over here. Means these dialogues we have heard from these two people. Okay, these two students have performed well over there. Okay, and this is the right way. This is the correct way that how to converse with people. Okay, how do we converse with people? One thing. Another thing is whatever the extract or whatever dialogues we have seen now or we have heard now, those dialogues are having some devices, reading and listening process is there, so related to that. For the first time, if we have heard something, so that also we are here about to discuss them. For example, in reading and listening, what is important or what was important there? Read the dialogue silently or 2 or 3 times. If you are using cassette, it is not a cassette over here, it is just a PDF form. So 3 rupees 50 paise in writing, how would we write it? Rupees
50
3.5,
pice.
this one. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Anything else can I can do for you? Anything else I can do for you? Actually, this should be said in the way the complete question will be like, is there anything else I can do for you? Is there anything else I can do for you? Understood? This is the proper way to ask the question. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Now, next thing is understanding the dialogue. Now, some questions are given over here. Who will tell the answers of these one? These questions. Kadambari.
Sir, I didn't read the things passage, sir, so that's why I could not answer.
Kadambari. Where does the dialogue take place? Anyone can answer. Anyone can answer there. The dialogue is taken place or has taken place at the post office. How many people are taking part in the dialogue and who are they?
Michael and counterclaim.
There are two people taking part in the taking part in the dialogue, and they are Michael and the counter clerk. Okay, so do we know the name of the counter clerk? Is it a man or a woman? Do we know? Actually, we do not know the name of the counter clerk, right? But he is a man or it is a man, okay, and we know it. Understood? Michael wants to do 3 things at the post office. What are they? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell?
Sorry, sir, I was disconnected.
What? Disconnected.
I was disconnected.
No issue, beta. Now you are there, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how many things Michael wanted to do at the post office?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I show the dialogues again?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has to respond, otherwise what is the use of taking the class? It is not the one-way process.
Yes, sir.
I think it is not the one-way communication class. All have to take participation into it. Be Sanmukhi, that Aditya, Rutvik, Sadhika, Saket, you all are keeping mum there. What happened?
Sir, I didn't read the passage, so I could not answer, sir.
Why didn't you read? Varshit?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Actually, what? I had given the task to two people only, and others were enjoying other things at home. As I had given other, yes.
Actually, this is Lohita here because of the network issue. I joined late, so that's why I didn't read. I didn't read the passage, sir.
So again, you have to read the dialogues. After that, we will take the questions and answers. Did you read?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Miss, how fast did you read it?
Sir. What's the meaning of inland letter sheet, sir?
Huh?
What's the meaning of inland letter sheets?
Where is it?
Ma'am, sir, in the what do
Whose
we
dialogue
say?
is that?
Michael's, sir. Michael's. I also want 20 inland letter sheets and 10 stamped envelopes. At that one. Sir.
Sir, in the I also want 20 inland letter sheets.
Write down
Huh? Inland
just
huh?
yes, sir. Inland letter sheets.
That is Michael's dialogue, na?
Yes, sir. That's what I said, sir.
Acha, 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 acha. Inland letter sheet means, beta, it is something where the person wants to send the letter within his own country.
Okay.
That
Okay,
is
sir.
called inland letters. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you read another dialogues?
Yes, sir. I read all this, sir.
These dialogues, these 2-3 dialogues who are hiding here,
Oh, I didn't read this one.
read them properly. All have to read all, not only this student. all must be involved there. And once the question is being asked, so everyone should ready to give the answer. But you people do not do that. Okay. So understanding the dialogue. So can you tell me the answer for first question? Where does the dialogue take place? Yes, it is at the. Yes, who
Post
will tell?
office.
Sadhika.
So I will say, sir. I'm Aditya.
Is there
Yes, sir.
Sadhika?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell the answer. Where
Should
does
we?
the dialogue take place? Here the answer is written like
In the post of.
In a
In
post,
the post office.
stationery.
Sir,
In a
in the
post office,
post
sir.
office, sir. Sir, in the post office.
in, not in. It is at the post office,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
not in the post office. Okay. Whenever we refer to any place, so we should always use at if you are there. Understood? How many people are taking part in the dialect? And
Two
who
people.
will say?
2 people are taking
Two
part.
people, sir. Michael and
Michael and
counter
counter
clerk.
clerk.
Counter clerk.
2 people.
Okay. Do we know the name of the counter clerk?
Sir, we don't know the name of the counter clerk.
We can
It is
classify.
a man, sir.
Woman.
We know the name of the man.
Okay. And do we know it? Yes, we know it. Michael wants to do 3 things at the post office. Which are or what are they?
Sir, to send a letter and buy 20 inland sheets and 10 stamped envelopes.
Okay. Are the 2 people in the dialogue polite to each other?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you come to know this?
Sir, for asking anything, they are pleasing each other, sir.
Huh?
They are pleasing each other, sir.
They are pleasing in the sense they are actually
And they are requesting
each
for
other.
him.
They are respecting each other.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
Okay.
they're like
They
being
are
polite.
using polite language, right? And they are not harsh at each other. That is why, yes, these dialogues are spoken in a polite way. Does Michael leave the post office happy or unhappy?
Happy, sir.
Happy. How do you come to know
Happy.
this?
Happy, sir.
Sir, because at last the postman said, the counter clerk said something that it's so that's why he went happy.
Yeah, definitely. Now, words and expressions which are used over here, how do you see this? Words and expressions. Do you know the meanings of these words and expressions? What is the first word?
Affix, sir.
FX, which is stick and paste it.
Yeah. Stick means only stick it. This is the meaning for affix means stick and
Stick pay means
Or
stick
paste
the
it.
paste, sir.
Envelope, the cover,
envelope. What is envelope? The paper cover of
the
a
cover paper,
letter.
Sir,
Letter-
envelope means
or it can be a
the
document.
paper
Can
we
you
should
tell me-
we will
can
keep
you
a
tell me
card
which
drive.
color do we?
Sir, in the envelope we can keep letters, sir.
No.
Or we can keep documents also, sir.
We also keep
Or
documents.
documents
The
or
letters and
for
confidential
giving
letters.
and we can keep money for giving anyone.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me the color of that envelope? Generally, that we use
Yellow, sir.
yellow.
It's like a cream color, so.
It
Creamy
is a
shade of
brown
color.
color. Okay, it is a brown color paper that we use as envelope. Okay, what is postal stationery? Postal stationery are the postcards, letter sheets, envelopes, glue sticks.
Means like for the For making some posts means like how to make a like
And
envelopes
one
like that.
one another thing that we are going to study, the new thing. See, look carefully at the spelling of the word stationery. What is the spelling for stationery here?
Stationery. Stationery means
That generally you
pencils,
read and
erasers,
Stationary
write
means
pencils.
the
all.
things. Okay, stationery,
Means
STATIONE.
which we use for making some
Like school
crafts,
supplies.
You can compare this
paintings.
it with the word stationery, where only difference is E and A. What is the only difference there in the spelling?
E and
Use
A.
of A and E.
STATIONERY. What is the difference between stationary and
Given
stationary, sir?
which sounds similar to the first word, but is different in meaning.
ARY. So the difference
NARY
between
means
station and
this
stationery is
stationary means
ARY.
not moving, that is stable. Okay, its meaning is stable. STATIONARY.
Stationary.
Stable, not moving anywhere. And
Station.
Means
that
these
stationary,
station.
STATIONER, that stationary means whatever you use for your school. In the sense, in school, whatever the stuff you use for writing, reading.
Not for the school only, sir. For the crafts also, sir.
Yes, you may use that.
STATIONERY.
For
Now, what is the speaking word there now?
Sir, STATIONERY, sir. Stationary.
Okay, leave these things. We will go for another situation at another place. Now, what picture means, what the picture is telling you? Can anybody explain?
The doctor is treating the patient, sir. He's checking.
Diagnosing. Actually, the doctor is diagnosing the,
Patient.
or even is observing the patient,
Hmm?
isn't it? While the nurse is going out of the room. Understood? And the patient is lying on the bed. Okay. Now there are some dialogues between the patient and the doctor. Who will be the doctor and who will be the patient?
sir, I will be the patient.
Saket. But you have taken part already. Aditya.
Yes, sir.
You will
Sir,
be
I
the
will be,
doctor.
sir.
You will be
I'll
the
be.
doctor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I will be, sir, as patient.
Who was there? Varshit is done, na?
Yes,
Sir?
sir, I'm already
Sir, I will
done.
be, sir.
Sadika, okay. Sadika, you just. Who is Sadika
Okay.
there?
Sir, this is Lohita
Sir,
Senari. Sir, this is Lohita.
Sadika?
sir, yes, sir.
So start your conversation.
Sir, this is Lohita.
Sir,
Can I
can
also
I,
read?
I'm patient, sir,
Lohita,
actually.
I will give you
I'm
another
doctor, sir.
situation. Who is doctor?
Sir, I'm Aditya, sir. I'm the doctor.
Patient?
Okay, sir. Good evening, doctor.
Good evening, sir. What's your trouble?
I haven't been feeling well lately.
What
Speak
exactly
loudly.
is your problem?
I often feel quite sick. Have had a lot of pain in the stomach for several days. I have also had several headaches for over 2 days.
What's your appetite like?
Not at all good. I don't feel like eating anything. I feel full up of all the time.
Do you have you had any fever?
Well, I do feel feverish all the time. I've also had a bad taste in the mouth since I have been sick.
All right. Let's take your temperature first. There. Give me your wrist, please. There's nothing wrong with the pulse. Now take off your pullover, and your shirt too. Loosen your clothes a little. I'll examine you. If you lie down on the couch, do you feel any pain here?
Yes, some.
And here?
Oh, that's quite painful.
All right, you may get dressed now.
I hope there's nothing serious, doctor.
No, nothing serious. I'm just prescribing 2 kinds of tablets, and take one before meals and take other after meals for 3 days. Don't eat any fried or spicy food. Drink milk and have milky foods as much as you can, and take some rest.
Do I need to stay away from work, doctor?
Not at all. Just take it easy and have rest whenever you can. Come and see me if trouble does not go quickly.
Okay. So between doctor and the patient, we have seen, means we have heard the dialogues and the conversation. But now let us understand what did we get. Yes.
Sir, I am Kadambari. Can you change my name?
You just means we will do it later on. First of all, we'll go for the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So patient is again 2 dialogues are left. Patient.
Sir, patient. Thank you very much. Patient, I am the doctor, sir.
Sadhika is the patient. sir.
Patient.
Sadhika.
Sadhika.
Yes, sir.
So read it now.
Okay, sir. Can I read that, sir?
Yes.
2 people are talking in this conversation. Who are they?
No, the patient doctor thing. The patient doctor in the top.
Okay.
2 people are talking in this conversation. Who are they?
Doctor and patient.
Doctor and
Doctor
patient.
and the
Doctor and patient.
Is the doctor a man or a
Doctor
woman?
and patient.
Man, sir.
Man, sir.
Doctor is a,
Man, sir.
do we know? Yes, we know. Is the patient a man or a woman?
Man.
Man.
Also a man.
Man.
Where does the dialogue take place? At the
Dialogue
doctor,
takes place in a
doctor's
hospital.
consulting room,
Takes
sir.
place in a
the
hospital.
doctor's consulting room or in the patient's house?
The doctor's consulting room, sir.
Room.
At
Doctor's
the
consulting.
Doctor consulting room, sir.
doctor's consulting room. Good. What is the patient's trouble?
He's
Headache.
recently having a lot of
Having-
headache and he's feeling feverish every time and he doesn't want to eat anything.
He's quite sick.
Yeah.
What kind of food can the patient have? He can have all the milky foods, sir.
And
All,
he should not.
We should.
He should not eat fried and
milk.
spicy foods, sir.
He
He
should-
shouldn't
He
eat
shouldn't
fried
take
and
fried or
Sir,
spicy
Sir,
food.
Sir, he
He
should
has to
drink
eat
milk and he should eat milky food.
Mm-hmm.
why shouldn't he? What he shouldn't eat fried and spicy foods, sir. He can go to work, sir. But he can take rest whenever he wants, sir.
Very nice observation. Very good. Very good. Words and expressions. What the words are used over there? How do we? Means how can we express them? Lately, in the sense, in the recent past. Recent past means
In the recent
just done.
past.
It is just done.
Lately.
Which is already done.
But when? Before some seconds or minutes. Sick means definitely we are not well.
Not feeling well.
Full up. That is
Completely
completely full.
Completely full. Completely
Sir,
full.
take-
Completely
sir-
full.
Sir, take it easy means just take it light, sir. Don't think too much about it, sir.
Yes. Yes. We need
Loosen.
not to take
Loosen
the
means
more efforts there, right? We need not to take the more efforts there. Loosen, that is mean lose, get dressed,
Loose
that is
like-
put on clothes.
Clothes.
Stay away in the sense avoid. Okay, we should avoid something that are not good for our health. So this is the second situation that we have seen. Now another situation is also coming there, and that situation is at the shop where the clothes are sold. So what can you see here? Two people again are conversing with each other. One is a salesman and another is a customer, isn't it? So who will be the shop assistant and who will be
Sir, me, sir, I'm
I will be
Aditya.
the
those who
customer.
have
Aditya.
already taken
Yes, sir, I will be the
participation? One
customer.
second,
Sir, this is,
one
sir,
second,
sir,
one
this is
second.
Lohita, sir.
Lohita, stop. Those who have already taken part or participation, they will not. Okay. So who has not taken? Aditya? Who is Aditya? Who is Aditya?
Sir, I'm the I
No,
was the
you have
doctor
done
for
with
the previous one, sir.
Lohita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who will be you? You will be the customer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now who will be the shop assistant?
Sir, can I?
Can I in the sense who is this? Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Is your name
Kadambari.
Sonali? Is it your name or mother's name?
No, sir. My my sister's name.
Okay. So you will one boy I need there. Rutvik.
Yes, sir.
So Sonali, I'll take you to the another
Sir,
situation.
I'm not Sonali. I am Kadambari.
You are Kadambari. So Kadambari, I'll take you to the another situation. Now Lohita and Rutvik will be there in the dialogue. Okay, so shop assistant, start your dialogues now. Start your dialogues now.
Good afternoon, madam. What can I do for you?
Not madam, it is madam.
Madam.
Hmm.
Good afternoon. I do like to look at some shirts. Cotton or synthetics, madam?
Cottons or synthetics, madam? This is the way to ask the
Terracotta.
question.
Terracottas, if you have some. Terracottas, if you have
Yeah.
some.
Shop assistant.
Sure, madam, over here. If you
Oh,
we have an
Mr. Assistant. There is a pause. Comma is given na there.
Sure,
How are
madam.
you reading, Ritvik? That is not
Sure,
the way
madam,
to read
over
better.
here.
Okay? Sure, madam. You
I
have to
rather
take a small pause
fancy.
there.
I
Again,
rather
customer,
fancy.
stop. He has not spoken his whole sentence there. Whole dialogue there.
Sure.
Why are you starting, Lohita? Another dialogue? Means you both are not working properly.
Sure, madam.
Yes.
Over here, if you don't mind, we have an excellent range of shirts in terracotta. We striped ones are new arrivals. I rather fancy those blue ones with red strips. Well, they are men's shirts, but nowadays. Could you take them out, please? What is your collar size, madam? 15. Are you sure, madam? 15? Are you sure, madam? Yes, I'm sure. Here are you, madam. How much is it? That's 290 rupees 90. 19 rupees 90.
Plus taxes. Ritvik, speak. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik, from here,
That's
Ritvik.
That's 219 rupees 95 pice. Pulse taxes. Would you like to try it on?
Try it on. No, could you gift wrap it?
Again, Lohita, something is written there.
Oh, you see, it's a gift to my husband on his birthday.
I see. Later, here it is. I've stuck it on a little card saying happy birthday.
That's very kind of you, young man. Bye.
Goodbye, madam. Call again.
Okay. Now these were the dialogues which have taken place between the customer and the shop assistant.
Ma'am, sir.
Can you answer
that-
the questions? Who are the
Yes,
two
sir.
people taking part in the dialogue?
Sir, assistant and customer. Sir.
It's
Okay, give the chance to
persistent.
everyone. Huh?
The salesman.
Give the chance to everyone. Okay. Is the customer a man or a woman?
Woman.
Sir, can I take?
Yes.
Woman.
Woman, not woman. She was a woman. Is the shop assistant a man or a woman?
Man.
You have to answer in full sentence. The
Shop assistant was man.
was a man. Where does the dialogue take place?
In a a ready-made garment shop.
Very good. What time of the day is it?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. What does the woman want to buy? And who is it for?
It is for her. She was buying a shirt for her husband
And for what?
for his birthday.
On his birthday. Is the shop assistant helpful? Is the
Yes.
customer happy?
Yes.
Yes, the shop assistant is very helpful and kind as well and polite as well. And the customer is very happy with his assistant.
Yes.
Okay. So, in this way, we have seen the situational dialogues here, and you people have taken participation into that very enthusiastically. And I hope that you have got how should we react at such places and how should we be involved in the conversation like this. Okay, I'll be sharing
Yes,
this
sir.
recording on the YouTube channel. You may go through again, and thank
Sir,
you very
YouTube
much.
channel. Sir, YouTube
Yes.
channel name is
And
Vice
even
also, sir.
in the Google Classroom as well. Okay, I'll be sharing this.
Sir, what's the YouTube channel name, sir? Vice only.
Chanakya tutorials.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much for joining the class. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
sir.
day.
Bye.